tweaker mom tries to hit on me.
Literally.
You're very curious. I see that.
Yeah.
I keep capturing these moments of just
crazy stuff.
yeah. What you doing, girl? What are you doing? Now you can say you peed in public in downtown Dallas. Tales from downtown. That's what we'll call this episode. So it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I mean, it's kind of fun though. Talk to some people. Hunter's somewhere around here. What are you doing out here?
We're looking for property because she goes to Baylor and so
Oh.
she had to put in the nursing school, so we're looking for her next place that she'll live in January.
Okay.
Yeah, I was down there. I wanted to get one and just straight down.
Oh, with
Got
the
it.
lights?
Sorry. Do you want me to do it again?
No, I got it.
Oh, you got
I
it.
So I was asking about the eyeball.
Oh yeah,
What is this all about? You know?
the graffiti or the eyeball?
The eyeball itself.
What you doing, girl?
Power. And then look at this.
She's from Arkansas, so she's not around from
I've
here.
been here all night. You're not going to get more.
I don't know if I can fit.
Hey, excuse me. How's it going? I just got off the Graham bus. I just need 5 years of prison selling drugs. Man, I'm trying to get in this cab. I stay by the Dallas. The only thing I know is drugs. I learned how to read inside of a jail cell. Okay, I never walked through the front door of a high school. When people my age were going to high school, I was going to the dope house to get drugs. This one old school dude, he's been locked up 32 years. He asked me this question. He says, "What are you going to do different this time than you do all the other times?" And I thought about it, and I got my GED.
What's up?
Hey, I'll take a picture.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah, that's
All right, guys. Well, it was good to meet y'all. Thanks.
Yeah.
Likewise.
Y'all have fun. Be safe out there. I will. Is there lights in it or something?
Yeah, okay. See the opening underneath here? And then see how it like curves downwards?
Yeah.
And then these things are like been put here for some weird reason.
Yeah.
But then let me show you this. Come over here this way. See, there's lights inside. Eyeball. So, and I covered up the light when you're looking at it. But this is the weird part. See this red light?
Yeah.
It's like what you consider like a retina, right?
Yeah. Maybe it's a camera. Who knows? I don't know. I'm guessing it's just art in a way. It's what? Pointing in the side of the building? Yeah.
Thing in the middle.
Interesting.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the other thing that I thought was really cool actually. Go this way. See? There's no sign here. So you can
I don't know if I can fit that way. You're small. I'm not. I'm gonna go the other way. Dude, this is so cool. Go. That looks like honey mustard or mustard on your hot dog.
And I love God with all my heart, my mind, and my soul. I know I'm nothing without Him. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So, man, oh my God. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Lord, it's in your name I pray. Amen.
Man.
Yes,
I didn't
sir.
tell you this. I'm also a musician. I play the piano. I said, Lord, if you teach me how to play this piano, I won't play it for no other reason but to glorify you. 6 months later, I was playing.
Wow.
And I've been blessed to write music. You know what I'm saying? In Oklahoma and Texas, I've written music. You know what I'm saying? So,
Nice.
anyway, man, thank you.
Alright, so what's this? I put this underneath here. Look at this. See the green lights?
Guessing it's just power stuff.
Okay, then I was trying to open this and I couldn't open it. I'm very curious.
You're very curious. I see that.
Alright, so what does this symbol mean? It's like a handle, right? You have
Yeah.
a handle over here.
Maybe the initials of the company, power company or something.
That's the name. That's not a name of a power company.
I don't know.
And then,
Oh, did I mess something up?
no, what do you think that symbol is right there?
The earth? The eye?
EJ.
What's EJ?
I don't know.
Oh.
What are you doing? Wow. There's some water down there. What was your name? What? Nikki. All right, I'm Jonah. So you're.
Nice to meet you, Nick.
Yeah. See you, Nikki. See you, man.
Okay. This water is not helping.
Are you thirsty? Or you have to still pee?
Yeah, I shouldn't be.
I mean, it's kind of dark over there.
I mean, honestly,
If I had to, I probably would, to be honest. Oh, he's going right there. All right. Only in downtown Dallas at 3:30 in the morning. There we go. We have a new hunter now. Dun, dun.
you almost got the pee in the wrong mouth.
You almost did?
You almost did.
Oh, I did, man. You didn't see it. I mean, she was kind of pretty.
Of course you did.
I mean, she was.